So it's a great pleasure to host M30 ICARUS meeting here at the University of Cyprus. My name is Theodora Kyratsi, and we are the Powder Technology Laboratory in the Department of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering at the University of Cyprus. We participate in ICARUS project in Work Package 6, which is the application package. And we try to develop thermoelectric materials, actually thermoelectric silicides, made by silicon kerf that comes from waste in silicon cutting process in PV industry. Furthermore, we develop thermoelectric devices based on these silicides. And after this step, another partner from Italy, Magneti Marelli, the company, will get these modules, and they will develop a thermoelectric generator that will be tested in car exhaust setup. We really enjoy our participation in ICARUS project. This is a challenging project because we try to make high performance materials with waste from another industry. And we also enjoy the team that comes from different places, from academia, research organizations and industry. Thank you very much. I hope they all enjoy this stay in Cyprus.
In Work Package 6, we're working on a lot of different scientific topics. We're trying to upcycle all the materials from the pilot scales trials, and trying to use a recycled material for very high-end applications. For example, we try to use silicon kerf into aluminum silicon alloys, and we also try to recycle graphite, which is not very easy, and trying also to use crucible quartz to silicon carbide production, which seems very, very promising. And we have also two very large tasks on one on using silicon kerf in thermoelectric devices, which is also very challenging, but there are some really good progress in that, and the University of Cyprus has made a small device on the thermoelectric device with recycled silicon kerf, which is really nice. And there is also a large activity on lithium-ion batteries where we use silicon kerf again, but also graphite. Graphite is very challenging, but we're doing very good progress on the silicon kerf. So this is really good results.
If you want to learn more about the project, feel free to check our website and as well as our LinkedIn account.